हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड है हमारा HDFC क्रेडिट रिस्क डेब्ट फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। इस फंड को आपको बाय करना है। इसकी रेटिंग है 5 स्टार और इसके नेट एसेट वैल्यू है 20.1681 रुपीज़। ओके, HDFC क्रेडिट रिस्क डेब्ट फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, रेटिंग 5 स्टार, ग्रोथ, NAV 201.1681 रुपीज़। फंड की हाइलाइट्स: the current net asset value of the HDFC Credit Risk Debt Fund Direct Plan as of 29 October 2021 is rupees 20.1681. For growth option of its direct plan, its trailing returns over different time periods are 9.45% 1 year, 9.8% 3 years, 8.46% 5 years, and 9.7% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 9.9% first year, 2.8% 3 years, and 3.68% 5 years. The HDFC Credit Risk Debt Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management of rupees 8,606.99 crore as on September 30, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 1.08% from direct plan as on August 31st, 2021. HDFC Credit Risk Debt Fund Direct Plan shall attract an exit load for units in excess of 15% for the investment. 1% will be charged for redemption within 12 months and 0.50% if redeemed after 12 months, but within 18 months. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 500. SIP means systematic investment plan. Okay, things you should consider: riskometer, annualized return for the last 3 years 9.77%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund net asset range 1 month high low 20.122 20.173. 52 week low high 18.588 20.173. Okay, asset allocation: investment growth, equity 0.00, debt 88.35, others 11.65. Investment growth: enter amount investment rupees 1,000. Top 5 year comparison: HDFC Credit Risk Debt Fund Direct Growth, first year return 8.58%, 3 years return 9.77%. About fund: HDFC Credit Risk Debt Fund Direct Plan is open-ended credit risk debt scheme which belong to HDFC Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on March 25, 2014. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that the scheme seeks to generate income, capital appreciation by investing predominantly in AA and below rated corporate debt. It is benchmarked against Nifty Credit Risk Bond Index. Okay. Asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implication. The portfolio allocation of debt securities primarily have two kinds of risk: interest rate risk and credit risk. While the interest rate movements are driven by the fund's duration, credit quality of debt securities are based on the weighted average credit rating of a fund. Generally, funds with high credit quality will have the weighted average credit rating of AA minus and higher rated securities fund with medium credit quality will hold securities having credit rating lying between A minus to BBB minus, and funds with low credit quality will hold securities having average credit rating of less than BBB minus. Credit rating is a qualitative tool that basically assess the credit worthiness and financial soundness of a company and take into consideration several factors, including the default rate and solvency of the concerned business entity, tax implication. If units are redeemed within 3 years of investment, the whole amount of gain will get added to the investor's income and will be taxed as per her applicable slab rate for units redeemed after 3 years of investment. Gains will be taxed at a rate of 20% post indection. Benefits deduction is a process of recalculating the purchase price after accounting for inflation into it. The benefit of induction of its lowering down one's capital gains, which brings down the taxable income and reduce taxes on it. For dividend distribution tax, the dividend income from this fund will get added to the income of an investor and taxed according to his or respective tax slabs. Okay. Also, for dividend income in excess of rupees 5,000 in a financial year, the fund house shall deduct a TDS of 10% on such income. So guys, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है HDFC क्रेडिट रिस्क डेप्ट फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, रेटिंग 5 स्टार, ग्रोथ IDCW क्वार्टरली, IDCW growth, net asset value NAV 20.1681 रुपीज़. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.